and you're looking at a live view of the moon as it continues to close, as Orion continues to close in. Now, 5,058 miles above the lunar surface. Orion is traveling at a velocity of 3,933 miles per hour and is 234,000 miles from planet Earth. Seconds away from the start of today's 3-minute and 27-second burn. And we expect to lose signal with Orion in 8 minutes. Today's return-powered flyby burn sets us up on a trajectory to splash down off the coast of California just a few days from now on December 11th. And you are seeing some thruster firings there as Orion maneuvers to the proper attitude for today's burn. Today's return-powered flyby burn to begin 43 minutes from now. This burn will last 3 minutes and 27 seconds. During the time period that the burn takes place, Orion will be in a loss of signal period because it will be directly behind the moon. And again, Orion continues to close in on the moon, now 688 miles away from the lunar surface. Following today's closest approach to the moon, Orion will be only 79.2 miles above the lunar surface. Now 1 hour and 8 minutes away from today's return-powered flyby burn, everything continuing to move smoothly here in Mission Control Houston. As a reminder, we will lose signal when Orion crosses behind the moon. That's in a trajectory to head back to Earth and a splashdown on December 11th.